Girl, I'm in the mood. Come on, give me clues. Cause my heart is
Our wife. Hey!
What's it with that?
Run.
Jesus!
Babe, what's the meaning of this? Look how what you've done. What's the meaning of this now?
You never see anything. You never see anything.
Our wife. Don't be our wife again.
Jesus!
Move up.
Waiting be this.
I said, will you have yourself moved then? Fine girl like you. You misbehaving anyhow.
Hey, bros. What did this fine girl do now? She killed 2 people. She killed 2 people. Yes. What did they do? Because they call her our wife.